This is going to be a quick unboxing and first look or impressions of the Supernote A6X2 Nomad. First of all, a big shout out to Ratta for sending me this tablet, without any strings attached, PR material, without even asking for any previews of any content. I think it deserves to be known that they're a company that just lets their product speak honestly for itself. The packaging is nice and neat. This set came with a folio, the device itself, and the new pen, which I'm super excited about. The case is a clean white vegan leather with grey suede lining, and the tablet will attach with 2 magnets. The tablet itself is really clean looking and slim. They've included a small screwdriver so you can open up the device and replace the battery or put in an SD card, which is amazing. They have a quick start guide with a very helpful reminder, and what feels like a nice cable with a right angle end. Again, just a really nice quality of life touch here from Ratta. The tablet attaches securely to the folio, but maybe test the magnets with a hand under. Last but not the least is the type of pen I have longed for since I got this device, an everlasting ceramic nib retractable pen, which means I'll never have to worry about a lost cap. Let's take a moment to appreciate that satisfying click. Moving on, I also wanted to show you this tablet next to the first A6X. This is the one I bought in 2021. The age explains the warmer tone of the plastic. The Nomad is noticeably thinner, especially in the hand, but the desk real estate and screen sizes of the devices are pretty much the same. The material of the writing surface feels very similar, but the Nomad Feel-Right 2 screen protector is rough or textured. Before powering on your Nomad, this is another reminder not to peel the screen film off, as I see some people on Reddit do. As the quick start guide says, just turn it on and go. This one came with about 70% charge. After going through some screens to set up Wi-Fi and so on, you get a nice tutorial through some basics to get started. Now, a firmware update for this was literally just released publicly yesterday, so I want to take the time to more fully explore the Atelier drawing app and other changes before delving into them. But I couldn't resist at least trying out writing with this new screen protector. It feels kind of like writing with a fine pen nib on a thick, coated, and textured piece of paper. I will also say that the new gestures on the second touch bar worked really well for me. And if you need to review the gestures like I did, a guide is helpfully included in the settings. Again, I'll be putting the new firmware version through its paces and plan to make a video about that experience soon. See you then!